Okay, welcome to Cooking with Quinner. We are making Mediterranean chicken and roasted red peppers. And what I'm gonna do is I am going to bam it down this, or I can soften it on this one because this one's really good at softening. And I could bam this one down. And after I bam this thing down, I am going to season it with salt. Like this. This is a lot. And then, what I'm going to do is, be careful with this one.
Ooh, good seasoning.
I'm going to put it around. That's enough of that. Oh, and...
Got to get it all over the chicken, huh?
Yeah. And just going to spread it around like that. And then...
Harissa.
Harissa?
That's kind of fun to say, isn't it?
Yeah.
Did you smell it? It smells so good. Harissa is a little bit spicy.
Yeah. And I am gonna spread it around. And then I'm gonna do this. What of
Paprika.
paprika? The paprika kind of looks like this.
It does, doesn't it? They're
And
both
then what I'm gonna do more of doing it, but I gotta
use those tongs to flip it, huh?
flip it over.
Good work.
And I'm gonna do that and stuff. Okay, and now we're gonna put more salt on, more salties, and
Don't worry, guys. We're gonna wipe all of the spices in the counter down when we're done. But she's having fun for now.
And then we are gonna.
Woo! Comes out fast, doesn't it?
Can you spread this around?
Okay. When she's all done seasoning, I will add some minced garlic, but that's kind of tricky for her to do. I could have actually prepared the minced garlic ahead of time for her, but we'll just add it after.
Spread this around.
What's nice is this will marinate all day so we can play and go to the beach. And then when we get home, we just grill it up really quick, right?
Yeah, and then we're gonna put these on. I'm going to the beach with my cousins.
Ooh, that looks great. You want to put the lemons on top and show them how you paint the bell peppers?
I am gonna put the lemons on top. This will be really fun. I'm gonna paint the bell peppers.
I can't wait. Did you smell those lemons? Oh, they smell so good.
There's only kind of one for that one because I don't really have that much. And then I'm gonna paint the bell peppers.
So the bell peppers are gonna go on the grill later too.
Yes, and see, they're gonna do that just like I said on doing that, saying welcome to Cooking with Quinner. We're making chicken and roasted red peppers, just like I said that. And then we're gonna flip these over and paint them just like we do.
So we're gonna have this chicken and bell peppers and the leftover pita and hummus. So we'll create a good grocery list for you guys to have a Mediterranean week, if you will.
Yeah, and we're gonna flip that over.
Perfect.
Again. And so watch.
Do you want to say bye to your crowd?
Actually, we're not gonna flip that over. A little bit more.
A little more painting. Okay, she's gonna keep painting, guys.
Okay, bye.
See you later. Good work.